Everyone should have a fire extinguisher in their home, but it's important that you also know how to use it if you ever need it. I'm Katie with the Lehigh Acres Fire Control and Rescue District, and today we're going to talk about fire extinguisher safety. The most common and appropriate type of fire extinguisher to purchase for your home is one of these multi-purpose ABC extinguishers. While fire extinguishers can be useful in a small fire, it's important to know if it's too big for you to put out on your own. Consider other questions that you might want to ask, such as, have you notified everyone in the building that there is a fire? Have you called 911 to report the fire? And have you made sure that everyone has gotten safely out of the building? These are first steps to take before ever attempting to put out a fire by yourself. Once you've made the decision to use a fire extinguisher, it's also important to know how to use it. Our life safety team is actually here at Veterans Park today to teach the camp counselors how to properly use a fire extinguisher using the acronym PASS. Do you know what PASS stands for? PASS stands for pull, aim, squeeze, sweep. And it gives you a reminder on the steps to properly using a fire extinguisher. What you're going to see today is the camp counselors going through those steps as they put out a fire in very safe, controlled conditions with our firefighters.
Pull, aim, squeeze the trigger, and sweep back and forth. Walk up about 10 feet to it. Remember, approach it low with your nozzle at the base of the fire. Sweep back and forth. Perfect.
While they clean up, let's take a few moments to review what you've learned. First, you should have a fire extinguisher in your home and make sure that everyone knows how to use it. Second, you should make sure that it's in good working order by checking the charge level and also making sure it's clean and easily accessible. Third, remember the acronym PASS: pull, aim, squeeze, sweep. These are the steps that will get you through properly extinguishing a small fire in your home. If you have any other questions about how to properly use a fire extinguisher, or you're looking for fire extinguisher training for your business, school, or other workplace, please give our life safety team a call or send them an email. You can get their contact information right on our website. We'll put the link in the comments.